In this video, you'll learn how to unstake Solana on the Phantom wallet. This guide will walk you through both staking and unstaking your SOL, ensuring that you understand each step of the process clearly. To begin, open the Phantom wallet application on your device. Once the application is launched, you should see your wallet dashboard with various cryptocurrencies displayed. Look for Solana, which is abbreviated as SOL. Next, click on the Solana option to navigate to the Solana section of your wallet. In this section, you will find several options related to your Solana assets. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Stake with Phantom. This feature allows you to stake your SOL for rewards. After locating Stake with Phantom, click on Start Earning. This action will prompt you to enter the amount of SOL you wish to stake. Be mindful of your available balance, as the amount you enter must not exceed the SOL you currently hold. Once you have entered the desired amount of SOL, confirm your selection. The wallet will process your request, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your SOL has been successfully staked. Wait a moment for this confirmation to appear before proceeding to the next steps. After you have staked your SOL, you may wish to unstake it at some point. To begin the unstaking process, open the Phantom wallet again. Click on the Solana option to access your Solana assets once more. Scroll down to find the section labeled Your Stake. This area displays the details of your current stake accounts. Select the specific stake account you wish to unstake account. You will see the option to unstake. Click on this option to proceed. Once you click unstake, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify your decision. Confirm your action to complete the unstaking process. After a brief waiting period, you should receive a confirmation indicating that your SOL has been successfully unstaked. This is a crucial step as it allows you to access your funds again. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.